Do you want to know how you can contact the sales team of V.io? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can contact the sales team in V.io. Go ahead and open V.io, log into your account, and you can see your enterprise name. Go ahead and click on it and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll a bit down and you can see Contact Enterprise Sales. Click on it and you can see this page open up. Now to speak with the contact sales team, you can write down your personal info like your first name, your last name, business email, company name, company size, reason for contacting, your telephone number but it is optional, and any specific questions you want to ask for the team. After writing all of these, click continue, and this way you can contact the sales team or enterprise sales team of V.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.